Hi, it's me. Hello, beautiful people of the internet. Let me adjust my camera because I'm always so well prepared. So, oof. So today I'm gonna. Oh, let me be bright. I don't even care anymore. Today we have a haul and potting. Repotting. I just need to show you what I got. Can you see this beautiful baby? It's huge, just like my face, and it has loads of babies. And then I got these babies, Spatifilum. It was less than $1. So I got 3, and we're gonna pot these up, change the soil, and look at this beautiful root forming on my wanda. And another one is growing. Beautiful Miss Wanda. Too bad, I don't know if she's gonna flower or not. But she's here now. And I see everything is dry. Oosh. I would need to, I need to water already. It's like 35 Celsius. And on the screen you will see how much it is. So, yes. Oh, so that was my haul. I got 3 of these. And 1 of aeoniums, which I love really much. And let us put my hair up and get this repotting started. Spatifilum, and clean it up and refill with the new ones. These actually are in a really bad spot in my house. They are in my hallway, and they didn't like to move from the previous apartments, so they got a little bit of shock. But now I see new growth. I'm kind of always had problems with spatifilums because I never know how much to water these babies or how much not to water these babies. So that was my forever problem. For me, these plants are divas. For many people are easy care. I don't know. I always have problem with this. You cannot give it too much because it will brown, and you cannot give it too little because it will wilt and it will be brown. Oh gosh, and there is no pests, just lots of dead leaves from the move, and lots of new growth. But I was thinking I would take off all these bad pieces and replace with new, since it was so cheap. Why not then? What do you think? How do you care for this Spatifilum's peace lily? This is not a peaceful plant for me, I can tell. So, okay. You see? Too much water or too little water. I have no idea. No pests, no nothing. Just brown tipping. So I no longer know how to do these babies. But you see, it's nice soil, lots of air and drain. I don't know. Who cares? So this plastic I will save. The because you never know when you have to give away flowers or pot flowers. So I will say that. And look at this beautiful baby. Let me take the other one out. So I was thinking I will give it a try once more. And maybe it will work, maybe it will not. I have no idea. If not, then fine, and if it will, then fine. I'm no longer so stressed about it. You know, we are not given the green thumbs for all plants. And oh, while I have you here, look at my baby. She's so beautiful. I got it really cheap. And I just water it, so I have it upside down. So what do I do now? Take this out. Look at the roots. It looks beautiful. Loosen it up a little bit, you know. So any plans for summer, guys? No? We are not going. Our plans for summer is to actually build the balcony. So not so much plants. Then in October we are going to Greece with the whole family, which is nice. Loosen up, loosen up. Oh, this one was more wet than the other ones. So loosen it up, loosen it. Yes, perfect. So, and we have these babies aside, like so. We have one more baby here. Something like this. And fill up on the side with more soil. Yes. And you see, the soil is really nice and drainy and airy. So I don't know what this plant wants from me. What do you want from me? I don't know. So now I'm talking to myself like a crazy lady. Nobody said I was sane. So guys, what do you think? So this is ready. How about, oh no! Oh guys, look, I have some orchid bark. I was thinking, oh, I would put it in, mix it in, nice. So this is how it went. Oh gosh. Hey love. And I hear my boyfriend. My boyfriend. And this is another beautiful baby. Let's hope this baby will love it here. Hi! Look what I've got! I've got new babies. I've got new babies. They were very cheap. Whip whip. I would love to have this one in a pot like this. How about I will get one. And I have a new pot. This is actually a hanger, macrame hanger, but this one was on sale for I think $2 in American dollars, and I thought, oh no, love. Oh, how do I do that now? Oh no! I'm stuck. Oh, okay now. Oh, I was scared. Oof, I put a finger in the hole and it was a trap. Oof. I got a little bit scared. So we don't use this soil. We use our own mix. Different mix to this one. And as always, you know, I need something just for now to stop the soil from dropping out. So I take a newspaper and then roots will come and will grab the soil pretty, so that would not be a problem. So I need a little bit more. Just swirl a hole. Yes, I think this will be perfect. Oh, I love these aeoniums. I really do. So I hope she will be nice to me and get roots nice. So guys, what do you think about that? Pretty? Is it pretty? So I'm done. So this was my haul. That was my haul. And repotting. Let me show you from. Look how pretty. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, and this one. Oh, and this one is also pretty. Look at this pretty. Hello, pretty. Oh, guys. Ooh, where are you? Hello. Where are you? Thank you so much for watching, liking, disliking, commenting. I really love your comments and conversations. And let me know what you think. Do you like my new aeonium? How you've been? What you have doing? What's your plans for summer? Okay, bye!